Hello again. Okay, so I want to tell you all a story, okay? So, as I'm telling this story, think about the words I'm saying and try and think about what's happening, okay? So, Blake and I went to the park the other day, and she was interested in finding rocks. She wandered all over the park looking for rocks. So she found 4 rocks and brought them over to me. Okay, we looked at all the rocks, then we put them in a pile. Okay, then she wandered off and went to look for more rocks. When she found 2 more rocks, she brought them back. We looked at them, and then we put them in the pile. Okay? So think about the story I just told you. Okay? Now, do you think you could tell me or somebody next to you what happened in that story? So, take a minute. I'm going to pause. Take a minute and tell the person that you're sitting next to what just happened in the story. So, if you just told somebody what happened in the story, good job. Now, I wasn't looking for exact words or exact numbers, but I wanted to see if you could remember what Blake did. So, at the beginning of the story, if you remember, Blake had how many rocks? She had 4. And at the end of the story, did Blake have more than 4 rocks or fewer than 4 rocks at the end of my story? So think about that. Did she have more than 4 or fewer than 4? Okay, whoever you're sitting next to, whisper it to them. Fewer or more? Okay, so whatever you just whispered, can you tell me why, or tell them why you know? How do you know? How do you know that she came back with more or fewer rocks than 4? Okay, so that was our little story problem for the day. Hope you enjoyed.